Adidas Football's club-inspired Samba series expands with the Beşiktaş J.K. x Adidas Samba, expected to release around August 8, 2025, alongside the club's new kits. A tribute to one of Turkey's oldest and most decorated teams, the sneaker sports crisp white leather uppers, jet black suede overlays, and red accents on the heel, reflecting Beşiktaş's iconic colors. The year 1903 appears on the tongue in a shield emblem, honoring the club's founding. A gum rubber sole nods to classic football aesthetics, while gold Samba branding and red Adidas logos on the insole round out the premium look. Following pairs for Arsenal, Juventus, and Real Madrid, this edition brings Istanbul's pride into the spotlight. Whether you're pitchside or street-bound, the Beşiktaş Samba blends heritage and style in perfect balance, allowing fans to rep the Black Eagles with timeless flair and lifestyle-ready design.